Hello, I'm Liz Magill, and today is my first day as the new Dean of Georgetown Law. I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself to the Georgetown Law community, some 50,000 strong, from our students and our alumni to our faculty and our staff. In many ways, joining Georgetown Law today feels like a homecoming. I began my own career not far from this campus, first as a legislative aide in the Senate, and then after law school as a clerk on the Supreme Court. But my connection to Georgetown began long before then. After World War II, my first-gen farm boy father from North Dakota was lucky enough to be admitted to the School of Foreign Service, and in 1953, admitted to Georgetown Law. As it has done for so many people, this institution changed his life, and it changed the lives of my entire family. For the Magills, Georgetown has no peer. I cannot think of a more exciting time to lead this remarkable law school. Our country and our world urgently need what Georgetown Law offers. We need people trained in the highest ideals of the legal profession. We need the best minds working to shed light and make progress on the challenges of our time. And we need students who come from near and far and are eager to learn everything they can so they can contribute to society and champion the rule of law. This is what every great law school is trying to do, but Georgetown Law stands apart. We are unabashed in our commitment to a set of values that are grounded in our Jesuit heritage that guide everything we do here. We care for the whole person. This means respecting every single member of our community, their experiences, their concerns, and appreciating their unique gifts and insights. Upholding this value is easy when we agree. It matters when we don't. I will dedicate myself to fostering a community where everyone can speak freely, listen carefully, and build bridges across faiths, cultures, and perspectives. I have learned as a leader that respect and open debate are the bedrock of a thriving academic community. They are also necessary to democracy in a pluralistic society. Finally, at Georgetown Law, we seek to prepare students for service who will honor our motto: law is but the means, justice is the end. There are so many ways Georgetown lawyers have and continue to serve others and seek justice. Every day, we work to ensure that our students gain the tools and discover the paths that they will follow to honor this call to action. I am looking forward to meeting all of you in the coming months. To the students who are returning to campus or joining us for the first time, welcome home. Georgetown has a great history. I'm determined to do all I can to make the future even brighter. I can't wait to get started.